In the world of air fryers, you got two main options. You got your toaster oven style air fryers and you got your basket style air fryers. Which one's better? Well, we're gonna put them to the test today and test out 3 of the most popular air fryer recipes: fries, chicken fingers, and Brussels sprouts. Let me know in the comments below which one you think is gonna win the test. I just bought some frozen fries at the grocery store and we're gonna put an equal amount in both air fryers. In the basket style, we're gonna click the fries setting and just click start. And on the toaster style, click the air fry setting, same temperature as the basket style, so 385 for 20 minutes just to keep things consistent. Now I did preheat both these air fryers in advance, but one small note here is that the toaster oven style definitely needs to be preheated for at least 5 minutes because those heating elements take a while. Whereas this basket style, and this is not the case for all basket styles, but this one in particular doesn't really need to be preheated. It just heats up super quickly. Oh yeah, look at that. Ooh. Don't look as crispy though. Basket on the left and we got toaster oven on the right. These are, you can already pretty tell, these are already much crispier from the basket for the same amount of time. These just might need a little bit more time. So to be fair, I'm gonna put another 5 to 10 minutes in the toaster oven and just see if they crisp up a little bit. And we're done, hopefully. They're still not quite as crispy as the basket style. All right. Basket style is definitely crispy. I didn't season these because they already came pre-seasoned. Toaster oven fry. It's crispier than the first time. So the added time definitely helped. And it doesn't have quite the color difference as the basket style. I'm gonna give this one to the basket style air fryer. Chicken tenders, these have been just simply breaded in a panko batter, real easy. So we're gonna put these in on 390 for 20 minutes. Basket style has a heating element on the top, and this one actually has one on the bottom as well. And it's got a big fan that sits right on top of that heating element that circulates air. The toaster oven has these heating elements, these rods on both the top and the bottom that get very hot, but the fan is generally on the side of these units, and it's generally smaller than the basket style air fryers, which means it doesn't circulate as much air and it doesn't circulate it as rapidly as a basket model. So I kind of already know how this test is going to go, but taste is going to be the ultimate factor. All right, ooh, look at that. Okay, I'm gonna get the meat thermometer for these guys. Oh yeah, that one's good. Basket style chicken tender with some barbecue sauce. It's like a poolside chicken tender. You know, when you were a kid, if you ever went to the pool and you ordered chicken tenders, and always came out, always bit into them, and they were like super, super hot, crispy. I don't know, maybe that's just me, but that took me way back. Look at that. Toaster oven. Just doesn't do it for me. It's too soggy. I mean, the inside's good, it's cooked. The breading just isn't there. Basket style wins. Final test, Brussels sprouts. I slice these up thin, toss these in some avocado oil, and they're going straight into the air fryers. All right, basket style's done. Toaster oven, check them out. The basket style looks much crispier, which is no surprise at this point in the test. I got some hot pepper jam here. It's a good Brussels sprout. Nice and crispy on the edges. Perfect. And toaster oven. It's good, but noticeably chewier, even with the extra time. Once again, basket style wins this test. The basket style beat the toaster oven in all 3 tests on crispiness, and it did it quicker. But is it better? That depends. See, if you're cooking for a lot of people, the basket style can be hard because you can't fit a ton of food inside of it. Whereas with the toaster oven, you got a ton of interior space in this thing. In this particular model, you can fit an entire rotisserie chicken, and it's got this rotisserie tool to cook it. And another thing to consider is the price. This model retails for $200 and this model retails for about $150. So toaster ovens are generally more expensive. Ultimately, the decision is up to you, but if it was me, I would go with the basket model, and if I needed more space, I would just get 2 or 3 of them for the same price as one of these big, bulky toaster ovens. It's gonna cook crispier and it's gonna cook faster. Let me know in the comments below which is your favorite air fryer and what's your favorite recipe.